Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're trustedshopguy.com, and today we are in the kitchen. In this video, two air fryer brands will be going head-to-head. We have the Ninja Foodi Dual Zone Air Fryer and the Instant Pot Duo Crisp Air Fryer. Air fryers have slowly but steadily taken over kitchens, thanks to their easily accessible features that offer us gourmet meals quickly and hassle-free. Rising above deep fryers and oven cookers, they're operated by a mechanical fan that circulates the required heat for even tenderness and crisp that doesn't require as much oil. This makes them the perfect partner of foodies participating in the keto diet or anyone who's trying to avoid or lower their cholesterol levels by creating healthier food options. In our air fryer review seen below, we have picked the two dominant contenders, the Ninja Foodi Dual Zone Air Fryer, which has earned 5 badges from our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and its fervent new competitor, Instant Pot Duo Crisp Air Fryer. To pick your best bet, we have these two air fryers challenge each other in today's brand wars. If you're interested in the other air fryers that we reviewed, do check out our air fryer review video link below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the brand wars. The first category that these air fryers will be going face-to-face with is their cooking functions. For making your first batch of French fries and chicken wings, you have to be familiar with the suggested presets for your favorite food. Cooking functions will automatically set the appropriate heating conditions for any dish, make it easier for beginners to start their premier feast. With versatile functionalities, these two air fryers are not just reliable appliances for creating crispy main dishes and snacks, but also warm appetizers and sweet, chewy desserts. Ninja Foodi can help you create plenty of food combinations with 6 settings including dehydrate, air fry, air broil, reheat, bake, and roast. But Instant Pot raises the bar with its 11-in-1 functionality consisting of the same 6 settings offered by Ninja Foodi with 5 new buttons to pressure cook, slow cook, saute, sterilize, and yogurt maker. In this round, we're hailing Instant Pot as our first victor. Whether you're living by yourself or you would like to add a kitchen appliance to your office pantry, Instant Pot's holistic setup can offer more variety. The second category that these two brands will be going face-to-face with is their specific air fryer type. Air fryer types determine the design of the rack where you put your food. The two primary types are basket air fryers, which are perfect for holistic preparation for plump meat, such as a whole unsliced chicken or picky food such as fries and nuggets, and tray air fryers, which are perfect for uniform cooking of flat meat such as sliced steak. Both the Ninja Foodi and Instant Pot have a basket-type air fryer. This makes it easy for the devices to perform their diverse functions and accommodate a broad selection of food. However, Ninja Foodi is getting ahead with its 2 baskets that come with an ergonomic drawer handle. With this feature, you can cook your vegetables and meat side by side for quicker preparation without having to go back and forth. For this match, Ninja Foodi is catching up with its competitor with its impressive design. The third category that these two brands will be going face-to-face with is their temperature range. If you're following a particular recipe to achieve a distinct flavor, consistency, or texture, opting for an exact temperature will do the job. At higher temperatures, battered and coated food will pop up faster without absorbing too much grease, while at lower temperatures, marinated meals can thoroughly absorb sauces and spices. Though Ninja Foodi and Instant Pot have the same starting temperature of 105 degrees Fahrenheit, one came out on top with its extended heat calibration. Instant Pot has a maximum temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit, but Ninja Foodi beats it with its 450 degrees Fahrenheit limit. This is perfect for crisping out delicious breaded chicken and mojo potatoes for a crunch bite that doesn't leave your hands oily. With this, Ninja Foodi gained yet another point. The fourth category that these two brands will be going face-to-face with is their ease of cleaning. After creating your tasty banquet, you'll have to wash your air fryer to make sure the next batch of food you'll make won't have some leftover taste. It's also important to get rid of all the greasy parts to avoid any buildup that may cause damage to the air fryer. The two contenders offer the same facet of dishwasher-safe parts and easy-to-clean baskets. However, Instant Pot's stainless steel exterior and inner container gave it an upper hand. The finger-proof exterior complements the interior that actively avoids rusting and yellowing even after frequent use. The smooth exterior also makes it easy to scrape off hardened batters that a dishwasher may not be able to soften quickly. In this category, Instant Pot's material allowed it to size up against its conqueror. The fifth and final category that these two brands will be going face-to-face with is their safety features. In terms of safety, there are 2 fundamental standards: a well-insulated handle and non-slip feet. These two will respectively make sure you won't accidentally burn your hands and the air fryer stays in place even on messy countertops. Both Ninja Foodi and Instant Pot utilize this feature. But Instant Pot secures its win with its 10 built-in safety facets, including overheat protection, smart locking lid, and lower wattage operation. This option is also devoid of BPA, PFOA, and PTFE, including them in the list of the safest air fryers on the market. With the extra safety features of the Instant Pot, the tie has been broken, making it the clear winner for this category of cooking. We have now arrived at the end of the duel between Ninja Foodi Dual Zone Air Fryer and Instant Pot Duo Crisp Air Fryer. Though the stars made sure to bring home the medal, Instant Pot Duo Crisp Air Fryer managed to secure the bag with its 3 stars that outdid Ninja Foodi Dual Zone Air Fryer's 2 stars. If your priority is a broad temperature range that has duality, Ninja Foodi is a bang for your buck. But with a multifaceted control, easy to clean material, and maximum protection, Instant Pot claims its victory. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the Ninja Foodi Dual Zone Air Fryer and the Instant Pot Duo Crisp Air Fryer has finally ended. If you have any contenders for our next air fryer face-off, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next updates. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.